Happy day 14 of the 31 days of prioritizing your sanity this December. Start your morning by doing your breathing. Breathe in for 5 counts, hold for 5, breathe out for 5 counts. Repeat that 5 times. Set your intention for today. And when you have completed that, look around and declutter 14 pieces of paper from your life. 14 pieces of paper. That's your mini task. If you want to give it a little extra, go ahead and declutter more than that. Maybe do 28, maybe do 140, whatever it is, at least 14 sheets of paper. Put your totals in the comments below. Go on now. You got this. Happy day 14.